traditional banks are closing branches. Inflation is outpacing savings. And yet, a new financial system is rising, borderless, transparent, and powered by code. This is decentralized finance, or DeFi. But where is it heading? Will it truly replace Wall Street? Or become just another hype cycle? In this video, we'll explore the future of DeFi, what's working, what's broken, and the bold predictions shaping the next decade of finance. Speech balloon, stick around till the end to find out why DeFi might be the biggest opportunity, or risk, you'll ever encounter. Let's start at the beginning. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, and it refers to a financial system that runs on blockchain networks, like Ethereum, Solana, and now Layer 2s like Arbitrum and Base. Bar graph cut 2, graphics of Uniswap, Aave, Compound. With DeFi, there are no middlemen. Instead, smart contracts automate everything, from lending and borrowing, to trading and yield farming. Brain, you hold the keys. You control the funds. It's banking without banks. But where is all this going? DeFi began with simple ideas, peer-to-peer lending and DEXs. But by 2021, it exploded. TVL, total value locked, reached over $180 billion. Then came the crashes, Terra, Celsius, FTX. Billions were wiped out. Skepticism grew. Downward trend, yet, innovation didn't stop. In 2023 and 2024, we saw a second wave of DeFi, real yield protocols, decentralized stablecoins, account abstraction, and DeFi on Bitcoin. Lightbulb, DeFi didn't die. It got smarter. Bullseye 1. Real-world asset integration, RWAs. DeFi won't stay in the crypto bubble. We're already seeing tokenized real estate, bonds, and commodities entering on-chain ecosystems. This could unlock trillions in value. Bullseye 2. Decentralized identity and credit scoring. Anonymous wallets are cool, until you want a loan. The future, DeFi native identities and on-chain credit scores using tools like WorldCoin, ZK Pass, or Lens Protocol. Bullseye 3. Composable AI plus DeFi. Imagine AI agents optimizing your yield strategies across protocols. 24/7, AI will soon autonomously interact with DeFi smart contracts on your behalf. Bullseye 4. Institutional DeFi and regulation. BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Goldman Sachs are already experimenting with DeFi rails. Expect regulated DeFi, permissioned pools, and hybrid systems. Bullseye 5. DeFi in developing economies. Billions are unbanked. DeFi offers financial inclusion without needing permission. Nigeria, Argentina, and the Philippines are leading the way. Bullseye 6. Security and auditing revolution. With hacks costing billions, future DeFi will feature AI-powered audit tools, circuit breakers, and multi-sig governance to enhance trust. L2s like Optimism, ZKSYNC, and Base will drastically reduce gas fees, making DeFi accessible for the masses. Magnifying glass interoperability protocols. Projects like Cosmos IBC, Chainlink CCIP, and Polkadot are creating a multi-chain DeFi world. Magnifying glass decentralized stablecoins. Algorithmic models like Frax or collateralized systems like DAI are evolving. Expect more robust, transparent, and scalable alternatives to USDT and USDC. But let's be real, DeFi isn't perfect. Security vulnerabilities, hacks and rug pulls are still rampant. Regulatory uncertainty. Nations like the US and China are tightening rules. User experience, wallets, bridges, and gas fees are still intimidating to newcomers. Liquidity fragmentation. With so many chains and protocols, liquidity is scattered. Hammer and wrench. For DeFi to succeed long-term, UX must improve, security must evolve, and communities must hold builders accountable. DeFi is no longer just a playground for crypto nerds. It's evolving into a global financial layer, one that's open, programmable, and unstoppable. Globe, the future of finance won't be built in boardrooms, it will be built in open source communities, validated by code, and owned by the people. Loudspeaker, so, will you be a spectator, or a participant? Thumbs up, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto deep dives, and drop a comment. What excites you most about the future of DeFi?